Okay, okay. Calm down, calm down. Calm down.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you are doing absolutely fine. As you saw in the thumbnail, today's episode I'm going to explore Dubai Pet Market, which is quite far from central Dubai. It is around 25 kilometers from city center area. This place is called Al Warsan 3. I'm mentioning the Google map in the description below. If you wish to come, you can always come over here. It is open from 9 o'clock in the morning till about 10. Let me talk about this place. This is spread across 5 acres area, and the entire place is powered by the solar system, and there are 4 different blocks, which is A1, 2, 3 and 4, which has around 80 shops. So without wasting any more time, let's go and check this out. Alright, this place has paid hospital, vet clinic, paid hotels. If you're going outside your country and you want to keep your pet for a few days, you can come over here and check out. They have exotic hotel which is run by a private operators. Now let me go and check out some dogs. I can see over there few dogs roaming around. Before that, I'll take you inside also for the dog shop, pet shops, but check this out.
Never be that good again. Don't drag it out. Skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again.
Good boy. How are you? How old is it? 4 months?
Apologize, no, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you.
Oh boy, how are you? Alright guys, this is kind of a pet shop come, you can say, it's kind of a hotel for them. They will take care of your pets when you're on vacation, even you're going outside the country. They'll feed them, they will
take them out for work, and you take them for work, take some videos and send to you so that you feel.
Yes, okay, all right. So this is one most important part. When you are on vacation, they will take the video of your pet every day, walking around, feeding them, taking care of them.
3 times every day, and weekly, make some shower, clean their ears, clean their paws.
So you can have complete peace of your mind when you're in vacation. So charges depending upon your breeds.
Yeah.
So once you are here, you come and visit the shop. This is what is
Pet Go.
Pet Go.
You buy there some pet markets.
Okay.
Al Warsan 3.
Al Warsan 3, yeah, that I'm keeping in the description box, the address and everything. So you can come and check. They will take care of your dog, your
Both
cats and dogs. You can check. This dog is here.
This is French English Bulldog.
So this is English Bulldog. He is 3 years of age.
Apologize, no, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out.
Did you see that Siberian Husky? Wow. Come. He's so pretty. Oh, it's a boy or girl?
It's a girl. Also
Ah.
a boy.
Nice pedigree, I guess.
This
What is the price?
This is 10,500.
Ah, costliest one.
2 months
huh?
old.
Ah,
59, 58 days.
okay. Alright guys, beside the dogs, you can get every kind of food, especially the Royal Canin, from puppies to all the dogs. And you have all the accessories for them. Let's check this out. Well, I'll show you two cats over here. They are super cute. Hello. One more is here. Boast. He's sleeping. This is super active. Hello. Kitty.
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been through.
Hello.
I can't regret leaving you alone till you find your way back home.
So this is how you should have your haircut done next time. Look at it. It's so funny. So guys, just check out how these pets are being groomed over here. And this is the dog.
Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
Alright guys, now I'm inside the bird shop. So I'll start from the one which is here in front of me. Guys, see how he's eating this. He's just storing it and taking inside the seed, and he's throwing out the skin. You want more? You want more? Come.
150. Okay, keep going.
Go.
ये बाइक चलेगा
Say salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. He can say. Say salam alaikum. He's not in a mood. But I'll get some more for you. Let's see if he can come in my hand. Come. Alright guys, that's all about today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. With that said, as always, stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.